Yeah, so a lot of these are driven by the tools as well. So like for example, for your app, when you do a research on a certain category, we can see the bestsellers within that category. So rather than backing up by what we think, we are backing up by the data. So when the data shows certain product in for example, a baby category, baby food category, or certain types of baby bibs are popular, and if it is a certain brand, so we then follow that brand, and if there is a trend that there is a regular demand on that, so we recreate that product again to the highest standard.
Yeah.
Like what Aldi and Lidl say in the UK or Germany, for instance. So if you go, in the shop, the product quality is to the highest standard. The difference is not a brand, but people still
Yeah.
buy. And I think the whole Amazon platform have taken away that barrier now. So as long as the product is represented right, it is of good quality, it has got some good reviews, people will buy
Yeah.
it. People will
Yeah.
buy it. So, which is why we are seeing a lot of private label sellers, in various categories themselves, trying to reach out and create new brands continuously. And it's going to be a successful business model for sure for a lot of people.
Hey, here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.